Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing both devices, enable mobile data, and pick USB tethering or Wi-Fi hotspot depending on reliability. Plug the phone if using USB, because direct connection removes wireless interference. Next, make sure Kali has USMUXed and libmobile device installed so the kernel recognizes the device. Network Manager must be running to manage interfaces. Once done, check DMESC or Journoctal for new interface names, and confirm the phone shows as tethered so Kali can detect it. Once Kali detects the new interface, identify it with IP link or NMACLI device status, because names can be USB 0, EMP0's 20F0U1, or WLAN 0 for hotspots. If using USB, run sudo dhclient interface to get an IP. If using hotspot, connect with NMACLI device Wi-Fi connect, SSID password YourPass, and assign IP4 via Network Manager. Make sure DNS is set, or add 8 to /etc/resolve, conf temporarily, and verify connectivity by pinging 8. To finalize, save the connection profile in Network Manager so settings survive reboots. Use NMACLI connection add or edit /etc/network manager /system connections and secure the file. Make sure you monitor mobile data usage and battery drain. Disconnect when not needed. If things go wrong, first check IP route show and resolve gateway issues. If default route is missing, restore it with sudo IP route add default via the gateway. If the device isn't recognized, reconnect, toggle tethering, and inspect DMESC.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.